Sound setup. Please check before setting the sound. If the original vehicle has optical fiber cable, please remove it from the original connector to the new one. Sound transmission methods. Transmitter Bluetooth method. If your phone already has a Bluetooth connection to your vehicle, disconnect it. When the Carplay decoder box is installed, please go to the new system homepage. Click Setup Audio Output Channel and change the output mode to Transmitter BT. After the settings are completed, the decoder device will automatically reboot. Before the transmitter Bluetooth is connected, the system will prompt that the transmitter Bluetooth is not connected. Now we will start to connect the transmitter Bluetooth. Plug the AUX plug on the power cable into the port on the transmitter Bluetooth box. Please plug the transmitter Bluetooth box into the interface near the video port. After the connection is completed, the green light of the transmitter Bluetooth box is always on and the blue light flashes, waiting for pairing. Go back to the multimedia page of the OEM system, search and connect the transmitter Bluetooth named DC Audio BT. After the transmitter Bluetooth is paired successfully, the green light and the blue are on. Then press and hold the star button for 3 seconds to switch back to the new system and enjoy the music on Carplay. Transmitter Bluetooth method fault diagnosis. Phone Bluetooth transmission method. Return to the main page of the new system and select Setup. Please turn on the Use Cars BT channel option. After the setup is complete, the device will automatically reboot. Press and hold the star button for 3 seconds to switch back to the multimedia page of the OEM system. Search and connect to your phone's Bluetooth. After the Bluetooth connection is successful, press and hold the star button for 3 seconds to switch back to the new system and enjoy the music on Carplay. Phone Bluetooth transmission method fault diagnosis. Warm reminder. The phone Bluetooth transmission method only supports Carplay and Android Auto. If you use other functions such as screen mirroring, or USB music or video playback, please use USB AUX audio cable transmission method.